Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. We'll start second chapter today, which is addition, and in this video we are going to discuss addition of two-digit numbers. Let's get started. Okay, so addition of two-digit numbers. These are the numbers written here. Two-digit numbers means that a number which has two digits in it. Okay, this is the two-digit number. This one is also a two-digit number, and now we will add them together and write the answer in this box. It's on page number 25 on your book. So open your book and do these questions with me. Okay, this one is ones column and this one is tens column. So we always start addition or subtraction from the right side, means from the ones column. So first we will add the ones column. 3 plus 1 is 4. You can also do it like this. Make one line here and 3 lines here, and count them all together. How much it is? 4. So 8 plus 9, let's draw 8 lines here and 1 line here. So how many are these in total? 9. So it's 94. Similarly, we'll do all these questions. So now let's do this one. 2 plus 2 is 4. We start from the ones column. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. So 74. Okay, now 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 5 plus 0. Whenever we add 0 to a number, we get the same answer, means 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. Again 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 2. Okay, you can draw 2 lines here and then start counting next to 5. 6, 7. So 7. Again 6, 7, 8. So you can do addition in whatever method you like. You can draw lines like this and count them together, or you can do these questions in your mind if you can. So this is how we do add two numbers. We start from the right side, ones column. We first add the ones column, then we add tens column, and the answer of ones, when we add ones column, the answer should be written in same column, ones column, under this column in the same line. And similarly, when we add tens, the numbers in tens column, then the answer should also be in the same column. Okay, now these are some word problems. In a cricket match, Shahid made 53 runs. Moise made 41 runs. How many runs did they make together? Okay, when this word comes together, it means we have to add the two numbers. Now we will add their runs. Shahid has 53 runs and Moise has 41 runs. So this is ones column and this is tens column. So first we will add ones column, which is 3 plus 1, 4, and 5 plus 4, 9. So it's 94. So how many runs did they make all together? They made 94 runs together. Next one is Aisha counts 24 beads in one necklace and 62 beads in another. How many beads are there all together? So again the word together came, so we will add them. 24 beads and 62 beads. So this one is ones column and this one is tens column. So let's add, and we start adding from the ones column. 4 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6. So 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. And this one is your homework. You have to do this one by yourself. Okay, now again we have to add these numbers. Now here we have one digit numbers. Let's do first one, which is 7 plus 3. So we have to add 3 into 7, ones column. So we'll start from the right side. We will add. How many are these all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and count them. How many are these? 10. It's 10. But now we will not write 10 in ones column like this. It will be wrong. When we get a 2-digit number, we will write 0 in ones column like this and 10 in tens column. It will come here. So we will write 10 like this. Similarly, if you add 5 plus 5, it again becomes 10. So we will write 0 in ones column and 1 in tens column. 6 plus 4 is again 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 here. So whenever we get a 2-digit number while adding single digits, then we shift the digit at left side to the left column. We write number like this. Then we don't write 2-digit number in one column. There should be only 1 digit in one column, whether it is ones, tens, hundreds or thousands. So these all numbers, when we add them, they all add up to 10. So we'll write 10 like this in all parts. Okay, so next one is, again we have to add them. In the previous slide we solved the questions and the answer of all the questions was 10, but here we have different numbers. So let's see what do we get when we count them. 8 plus 4 is, let's draw 8 lines here, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So it's 12. Now we will write 2 here and 1 here. Okay, now add this one. How many are 7 plus 8? Let's make 8 lines here and start next to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what do we get? 15. We'll write 5 here and 1 in tens column. And again 6 plus 7 plus 6 is 13. So we'll write 3 here and 1 here. 5 plus 9 is 14. So we'll write 4 here and 1 here. And similarly you have to do these 4 remaining parts by yourself. You just have to add them and write the answer in this empty box. Okay, now it's on page number 28 on your book. Now here the numbers are given in the form of blocks. This one is tens block and this one is ones blocks. Here we have 11 ones and 1 10. In 1 10 there are 10 tens. So 10 tens make 1 10. 10 tens make 1, 10 ones make 1 10. So here we have 1 10 and 11 ones. So but when we have 11 1, it means that in 11 ones there is 1 10 and 1 1. So we will shift this 1 10 here. So it will become 2 tens and we will left with only 1 1. So it makes 21. Now similarly we have to do all the other parts. We have to write these numbers in proper tens and ones. Okay, how many tens are here? It's a block of only one block of 1 10. So we'll write 1 here. And how many ones are here? Let's count them. 16. So 16 ones. Now again we have 16 ones. It means that we have 6 ones and 1 10, because there is 1 10 and 6 ones in 16. So we will shift this. We will shift this 10 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we have 2 tens and how many ones? 6 ones. So it has become 26. Similarly again here we have 2 tens and how many ones are here? Let's count them. These are 14 ones. How many ones? 14 ones. So again if we have 14 ones here, it means that we have 4 ones and 1 10. So this 1 10 will shift here. It will become 3 tens and we will be left with 4 ones. So it has become 34. Okay, now here are 4 tens and let's count how many are these. It's 12 ones. So again we have 2 ones and 1 10, so this one will shift here, it will become 5 tens and we will be left with 2 ones. It has become 52. So you have to solve this page on your book. It's on page number 28, and I hope everything is clear now. If you have any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.